Today we have the 2021 Volkswagen Transporter camper. This is the Camper King Saint-Tropez. It has done just over 22,000 miles with a manual transmission and diesel fuel type. As we step inside, we can get a good view of our kitchen area, complete with our cooker, sink and fridge just below. Behind me is our first of 2 double beds. As we'll be able to see from the pictures, this doubles up as 2 belted seats, making this camper 5 belts, 4 berths. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, as well as assist, and on the right we have voice control. Moving on to our screen, on the left we can access radio, media and menu, and on the right we have smartphone integration, Apple and Android CarPlay and voice control. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with parking sensors. Just below our screen we have our AC, and if we pan our camera around, we can get a good view of our pop top.